Hi, it's Morgan Meredith for Living a Blissful Life on HealthyPlace, and today I want to talk to you about Sky. So, what is that? That is a Bliss book, and when I first started it, I really didn't want to do it. I was taking a development course, and basically, in order to perform better, they said you need to do this Bliss book. So I did it, even though it was just homework, and I was forcing myself through it. And what the assignment is to enter something that you can be proud of in this book every day, whether it's something that you've accomplished in your past, maybe even a long time ago, maybe something you survived or something you learned from, anything from that to something that you're proud of today, or one small thing that you can brag about for the day. So for instance, yesterday I had one where I walked away from an argument where people were getting really mean, and I didn't need that, and I didn't need to see other people being mean to each other, and I wasn't going to be mean to anyone. So I walked away with my head held high that I hadn't participated in that. And that's, a small victory. I didn't have a bad day after that. So that's my book. Um, and basically, the point of this is the longer the book is, the more it gets filled with things you can brag about, the better it is for when you're feeling really down. When you feel like, oh, I'm not a good friend, then you find a spot in here where you did some great stuff for your friends. And not just one spot, but several pages of spots of that likely keeps coming up over and over. And so it gets more and more evidence here for you to be able to refute those claims that your brain tries to make about you not being a good person, or not being good enough, or uh, fair enough, or like all those things that comes up that say, hey, you're not enough. The more your brag book has in it, the easier it is to combat that. It's not always going to work, and that's why I would have a whole arsenal of other tools in our Bliss kit. Um, but and I don't do it every day like I should, but I am working on it, as I'm working on lots of things in life, and it does help when I can refer back and see some of those things that I'm proud of. So it's assigned to you. It's assigned to you from me. So please pick up a Bliss book. It should just be for Bliss book. Like, this is why I got this cute little one. Just the book, just for that. Nothing else goes in there. No complaints, no anything. Use your regular journal for that. And yeah, go get one, give it a shot, and post in the comments too. What are some things that you've used as a Bliss book? What are some things that you're proud of today, if it's your first day doing a Bliss book? And what you've gotten from this in the past if you've done it. So I look forward to going along with you on that. Again, I'm Morgan Meredith for Living a Blissful Life on HealthyPlace.